$100,000 or just $500 for a dream? I chose the dream. Ever since I was a kid, I dreamed of owning a supercar, but buying one brand new? That was way out of my budget. So instead, I decided to build one. I bought an abandoned 1980s supercar sitting in a public junkyard. And the price? Just $500. At that price, you can guess the condition. It was basically a pile of scrap metal. No brakes, no power steering, no engine, and the body. Completely trashed, with peeling paint and years of neglect written all over it. And now, here I am, about to do something crazy. I'm going to turn the impossible into reality. This might just be the most exciting project you'll ever see. I'm transforming this wreck into a 700 horsepower supercar. I'll restore it. I'll upgrade it. And I'll prove one thing: nothing is impossible. Are you ready to witness the transformation? Let's do this.